The best way to turn your lady on is to turn your stove on.
Sweet doesn't have to mean innocent. Talk to my man Andy with the Fu Manchu.
How the f did I get a buzz off cupcake?
Amazing.
I guess we should knock.
This is where the magic happens.
This is all the different beers we possibly use. Duck Rabbit for Valentine's. It's called a Broken Promise. A chocolate cake with Duck Rabbit milk stout. Valentine's is nothing but a broken promise anyway.
Back in the kitchen, he's showing me how he makes the John Lee Hooker cupcake. If you don't recognize that name, he's the guy that sings that song, one bourbon,
one scotch, and one bill.
Cake is made with Terrapin's Wake and Bake Coffee Stout. Has cranberry relish in the center of it that has scotch in it.
Ooh.
It has a bourbon icing.
Yum.
Cheers.
Cheers, my friend. It's basically a drink, so. Oh man, Andy, that is damn good, my friend.
Cool, thank you.
Pardon me while I eat the rest of it. Hey, check it out, Sugar Creek Brewing Company. There's a dessert festival inside. Oh, there's a flamingo! This is the best day of my life. What is your favorite out of these?
Yeah.
My jam's the dank IPA, my friend.
Pop the shit out of that shit.
That's right.
Next stop is Amelie's French Bakery. I'm here with Ashliana, one of the chefs here at Amelie's, and we are about to make salted caramel brownies. Heavy cream. I'm having way too much fun right now. Oh, you're not cooking unless you make a mess, right?
We have to add some salt to there and gelatin.
It kind of feels like a condom. Yeah, you don't want that to happen. Butter and sugar, my two favorite things. They've won tons of awards. They made Charlotte a beer town, and they make one of the best dank porters I've ever had. Noda Brewing Company.
The hop drop's really great.
It's like excellent.
Chad Henderson, who is the evil genius mind behind Noda Brewery.
I like to think of making beer more so like making music. You can drink Coco Loco and totally get what we were going for on that beer. But Coco Loco just puts the lyrics to it.
I'm freaking excited to be here.
Don't pan down. Hops are the American flair cannon, basically. Did you just eat one? You definitely don't want to eat those. Oh. What most people do is we just break them apart and rub them, and that gives you an idea of that hop.
Oh, my mouth has a big idea of the hoppiness. That was the chocolate and barley, and this is what Chad uses to make porters and stout-like beers.
Yep.
Super hoppy, just the right amount of alcohol. It's about perfect.
Let me just make sure everything's okay.